Up, y'all. Got the garage about 80% done. Just figured I'd do a quick little tour review. Got the Rockwell Delta 7x11 bandsaw. I know it's kind of dark over here in this corner. This material back there. Fresh cutting oil. Roller stand. My pipe stands I made. I just want to run a couple little TIG beads real quick. I just want to test out the power on 110. Yeah, I need to get 220 in here. I have everything in here running on one 20 amp circuit. So let's just say the welder's not going down too often. I got to pretty much unplug everything. 6G pipes in. Nut bolt bends there, some welding rods, clamps and shit on the bottom. ESOD Mini Arc 161 LTS, Speed Glass 9100X for the hood, argon bottle back there, cables, TIG finger, TIG stuff, metal, fill rod, batteries, charger set up there, bandsaw, new high torque, whole hog. 2704 hammer drill. I think that's 2753 impact. I'm not sure. Craftsman pry bars. Grinding stuff. This is where I get all my tools at. Got the channel lock wrenches for 40 bucks. Those have been pretty popular. I'm just gonna skim through this real quick. If anybody's looking for some 9.0s, right there. That's a pretty sweet deal on that. If you guys aren't around, that probably won't work for the trade-in. But anybody needs that, hit them up. Garage receiver, jack stands underneath, PS4, TV, Vice, stereo trophy, car shit up here. Always gotta have Scarface around. Gloves, towels, glue, cleaners, pipe, tape, and dope. Welding blankets, gloves, bandsaw coolant. That's what I use for my bandsaw. Wheels for when I get my weld table, tap and die sets, oil, drill bits, hole saws. That's everything you need over here. For the old 17-inch, 16-speed drill press. I think it's still working pretty good. Best use of a Harbor Freight wrench. Yeah. Got the XY table set up. Just got that all leveled up.
Now we have to retrieve it.
It's pretty solid. I haven't anchored it down yet, but I'll get around to that later. Compressor back here. Air setup.
Why is it trying to fall?
Chip brush, other speaker, grinder, tool cart.
You think this is fun? No. It's probably not, right?
I'm just gonna kind of go over this real quick. I gotta get to school. That's kind of a mess for moving it yet. I have not really reorganized any of this.
That's it.
Still loving the Carlisle wrenches.
We didn't. We were even close. Were we close to an interface? Well, you did something right.
A couple other random wrenches, bigger sizes. Snap-on screwdrivers.
In Army King.
So, yeah, just a quick little shop tour, garage tour. I'll get a better one up later as soon as I'm all the way done. Got everything set up where I want it, running. But yeah, that's where we're at. All right, y'all. Hope you have a good day. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I'm at 99 subscribers. I need one more. Come on, help me out. All right, y'all. Later.